It doesn't what?
My feet cold.
You want the bigger one?
Yes. Happy.
There you go, sweetie. Hold on, Kiki. I can't get you all covered up here. Hold that. Hold it. Well, hold it for me.
Yeah.
Thanks. Hold on
Yeah.
to it. Don't drop it. That's precious.
No.
What?
No.
Okay. Tell them what kind of surgery you're about to get. What are they about to do? You remember?
I can't remember.
Say, take my tonsils out
Say my muscles out.
so my throat don't hurt.
What?
So your throat don't hurt.
Say my
What's that face? Love you. You love me? Who's the bestest mommy ever? Give me a kiss. Love you, baby.
What's on the video? What's on the video?
It is.
Huh?
It is on video.
I know. And when it beeps, you have to take a video of us.
I already did. It already beeped.
Huh?
It already beeped.
What happened to our bracelet?
Your arm. It's right there.
Oh, slid back there. And the back. I can't get back to it.
Get your monkey down there.
Oh, he's good. I hate these socks.
Why?
I'm taking these socks off.
You can't take them off.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Get your foot out of there. What? What are you looking at? Cover back up. It's cold.
Yeah. I'm. Hey! I will try.
What do you want, baby? Here. There you go. Is that better?
Neither one's come yet.
You dropped it.
No. My boy get it.
I can't reach it. I set it over there. I'll get in a minute. What's that on your lap? Is that a fish?
Yeah. Let's take a picture of this.
What are you going to name your fish?
Help me figure it out.
Okay. Bob? Yes or
No.
no?
Huh?
Max.
Max?
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
Okay, what about... your breast stinks so bad. Luann. Or Jill. Or jam or cookie.
How'd
I
that
had a
go
piece
right
of
before the
cake.
first repeat? What'd you think?
Ham's good, but I didn't eat icing either.
I know it's yucky. You like it? It always looks so good. You know, I like cookies.
Yeah.
So I thought, I am just gonna, I was in Sam's Friday, yeah. I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it.
That's a huge cake, and then your husband wasn't even going to be home.
Oh, I know. I thought, well, if I really like it, I'll freeze part of
Yeah,
it.
that's
I'm still in the bed.
Yeah, you're still in the bed.
Frosting is horrible. I do not like the frosting at all. It tastes bitter to me.
Then I would order a cake. Frosting they use on all the, that's all the.
Okay, hold on.
At all. So I was severely disappointed.
We'll take
But I
my
had a
wrist
little bit
off.
when I
No.
drank all the ice
They might
cream.
mix you up with one of the other kids.
Huh?
They might mix you up. We got matching ones, see? That way, when they know that I belong to you and you belong to me. Okay?
And get
Happy
Shiva.
Monday.
Mary said, Linda brought it in.
Then they won't know that you're mine. Mine.
Yeah, when I
Hey,
seen that
Mama.
the first time, I thought it was
Mama,
What?
I can't walk like cat.
I was trying to think, well, who's this from that would have brought in cake and, you know.
You can't what?
I can't talk.
Sorry. Gonna take a nap?
So that. What are you taking out for them to
I figured, well, I
say what on that?
If you wanna take a nap, you can.
just got it
Oh,
because I wanted to get it over because I never really had it.
I like it.
I might just write her a check.
What's that? What are those? Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
She had to use a lot of effort to get that out too, just so you know.
Mommy, let's see a picture of her.
Okay, I got it on the video. What else you got?
Huh?
What else you got on there?
Huh?
What other stickers you
Oh, I'm
got?
in there now. I changed it to me.
Right here.
Let's see them. Princess?
I'll see Mama.
Princesses.
Oh, princess.
Yeah.
That's what we're seeing. That's what